우리 로드 스튜어트 노래 오늘 3곡 정도 준비했습니다, 여러분.
Have I told you that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Feel my heartbeat greatness, take away all my sins. Here's my troubles, that what you do. But the morning sun and always glowing is the day we told and comfort to. Feel my lovely lantern, somehow you make it fade. Is my troubles that what you do? As I love this divine, it is you and it is mine, like the sun. Have I told you that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Feel my heartbeat greatness, take away all my sins. Ease my troubles, that what you do. Like the sun, ending of the day, we should get this and flame to the one, to the one. Have I told you that I love you? Have I told you there's no one else above you? Feel my heartbeat greatness, take away all my sins. Ease my troubles, that what you do. Take away all my sins, feel my life be greatest. Ease my troubles, that what you do. just a little bit longer. If I still won't you listen to my heart? Oh, oh my heart. Just a little bit longer. If I stay, won't you listen to my heart? Oh, oh my heart. I am sailing home again, 'cause the sea. I am sailing stormy water, till we need you to be free. I am flying, I am flying like a bird across the sky. I am flying, passing high cloud to be with you, to be free. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away. I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Through the dark night, far away. I am dying, forever trying to be with you. Who can say?